Greetings, and welcome. We will be looking at the steps on how to create a 3D rotating logo using Adobe After Effects. To begin, open After Effects and create a new composition. Adjust the width, height, aspect ratio, and frame rate to suit your project's needs. Now, import your logo file. Ensure your logo is a vector graphic for smooth scaling. Drag your logo file into the composition timeline. Right-click your logo layer and select Create, then create shapes from vector layer. This converts your logo into shape layers, allowing for 3D manipulation. Activate the 3D layer switch for your logo's shape layer. This allows the layer to exist in 3D space, enabling us to rotate it. Open the transform properties for your logo. You'll find options to control the rotation along the X, Y, and Z axes. To create the rotation, set keyframes. Move the timeline cursor to the start of your animation and set initial rotation values. Then, move the timeline to the end, inputting different rotation values to achieve a spinning effect. Preview your animation, refine and tweak the animation to your liking. You'll soon have your 3D rotating logo, all created in Adobe After Effects.